Hi, my name's Jack and I'm a member of Sally's Youth Advisory Panel, and this is my younger brother.
Harry!
He's in the middle of having a bit of a laughing fit, but hopefully he'll come back to us in a minute. So one idea that we have for how to keep your time structured during your time off is creating a timetable. So we've included schoolwork as well as some relaxing activities and a variety of other activities in the afternoons, because it's not just about doing schoolwork but learning other things during your time. We've also been making use of YouTube. So we've been watching PE with Joe. I think his YouTube channel is The Body Coach. That's on at 9. And then we've been watching Science with Maddie at 11. Is there anything you want to say us about your timetable?
Yes. On Mondays is PE, schoolwork, snack, snacks or reading, and schoolwork again, lunch, and tea with my dad.
What's your favourite part of the timetable?
My favourite one is with Kira sports.
There we go.
And stay safe.